Hi. So this is an interesting case. This couple visited us for a primary infertility, and the male partner, he has azoospermia. There is no sperm in his semen, and the wife, she is working abroad. So they are together for around the last 4 years, but there was no result. And finally, he came to us, and we evaluated him. And first, what we did, we made a complete evaluation and found out that he had azoospermia. So first, we did a trial. TISA-PISA procedure, and we had retrieved the sperm, so we counseled them to go for the IVF procedure. And now they had gone for the IVF procedure, and you can see how good the blasts are formed. This is a wonderful result we are able to achieve, and usually once such good blasts are formed, we will be able to achieve positive pregnancy in this. These are the different blasts which are formed for him. Thank you.